Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Little Mama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with a website without selling anything. It is totally possible and it's something I've been doing since 2016. So today I'm going to show you how I've been doing and how you can start doing it too. Okay, so let's get started. So here I am, guys. So the very first thing that I'm going to show you on how to make money with a website without selling anything, it is definitely ads. I love ads because is a very easy and passive way to make money, because usually you just set it up and then that's it. You just earned. Most people start with Google AdSense, but as your website matures and gets lots of traffic, there's definitely way better ad networks out there for websites to earn from, okay? So Google AdSense is actually one of the first ones that people go to because they have an easier rate for approval. And that's why everybody starts with that. But you don't earn too much with Google AdSense. You will need to go up to those other ad networks to earn a lot more. And it is totally, totally worth it. And it's just fun money, basically, display ads, okay? For me, it accounts about 25% of my online income, so it's really good income. For example, I'm going to give you an example of like really massively earn a lot of money, like even 7 figures or 8 figures, just from ads alone, okay? So if you go to any kind of news sites or any type of entertainment sites that has like a top 10 or top 20 list of something, and the way they structure the website, where they don't just list like all top 20 items that they're talking about in one web page that most people do. What they do is they break that down into like 20 web pages. Why? It's because every time, so if it's a top 20 celebrity actresses, high-paying actresses, they're going to show, number 20 on the first page when you click on it, and then there's going to be ads all around this thing, right? But they want you, then when you go and look at the number 19, you have to click on the next page. And you have to keep clicking like 20 times to look at all the like top 20 lists of high-paying actresses, right? And there's a reason for this. And it's because they want the web page to refresh. Every time the web page refreshes, the ads will have a new impression. And when it has new impression, meaning impression is when the ad is shown on the website. So you actually make money just on impressions alone, as well as people clicking on the ads. So you earn 2 different ways with ads. So that's why they want the website to be refreshing all the time. Instead of you just reading, top 20 lists on one page, they want you to go through 20 pages. And this is the reason, because they're earning tons and tons of ad revenue from their website doing it like that. This is the second way that I have been using on my website without selling anything to make money, is affiliate marketing, of course. And affiliate marketing has 2 parts. I'm going to explain about that. The first part is what most people would use, which is just recommending other people's products, guys, okay? So all you gotta do is promote other people's products, things that you like or you use. So it's not a matter of you coming up with your own product to sell. It's really hard, and it's a lot of cost investment to do for your own product. So affiliate marketing takes the guesswork out of all that and allows you to quickly make money with a website by just promoting other people's products. Because if you were to make your own product, it is way longer process. And I know this because I've done it myself, okay? So, and that's why I'm here at doing affiliate marketing, because this is much easier, guys, okay? So the second, so how do you make money promoting other people's products? Is usually any name brand that you think of, like Nike, Target, Apple. It could be like Target, like a shopping type store that has multiple brands in it, or it could be a Nike, Apple. You could directly have affiliate programs with them. So any of these, or Amazon.com is another, like a shopping center, will you say, online shopping center. So all these different companies that I just named have affiliate programs, and you could promote their products and say, you know, I love my Nike shoe. This is why, and you should go buy it. And if people buy it, you will earn commission on that runner or whatever Nike runners that you recommended. So for workanywherenow.com, I promote various products on there, especially the tools and everything that I use in my online business. So that's what I've been earning on commissions. So I don't actually sell any of those tools myself because I'm literally just telling you this is what I use, and so it's been good for me. So why don't you go check it out? And if you go check it out and buy it, then I get commissions for that. Okay, so that's very easy. But there's there's an even easier part of affiliate marketing, which is the part two of this, is that you can earn with something called CPA or CPL, cost per action, cost per lead. What this means is that sometimes you can earn $1 to even hundreds of dollars actually by having people submit a qualified email or qualified lead to their business. So you are not even have to get somebody to go make a purchase. You just have to get somebody to go put in an email address. Isn't that cool? Sure. So there's going to be CPA networks like Max Bounty or Purefly.com that you guys can check out. And those types of networks have tons of CPA offers in there. They specialize in that type of marketing. So you can earn tons of money in CPA marketing. And that is definitely a secondary part of affiliate marketing that you can go into. So you can really earn a lot of money with affiliate marketing, okay? So those are kind of like the two different ways that I use for my website and how I've been monetizing my website with these two methods. But with all this said and done, your website is not going to make any money. Even if you have affiliate marketing stuff on there, even if you have ads on there, you will not make any money if you don't know how to drive traffic to your website, okay? So in order for you to make money with a website, you need to know how to make your website attract its own visitors. If you don't know how to do that, then having ads or a bunch of other people's products on your website is not going to do you any good. Okay, so what I did and how I got back into affiliate marketing was, when I say how I got back, I tried a long time ago and I didn't know what I was doing. And why I wanted to come back is because I was trying to do my own product, and it was very insanely a lot of work, and I was really tied to a physical location. I didn't want to do that. And just a lot of headache when you need to collect payments and deal with customers and everything else. So when I want to go back and learn affiliate marketing and make money from affiliate marketing, I definitely wanted to get training and do it right this time. And as soon as I registered for workanywherenow.com, I was able to find this training platform that I'm going to show you right now that taught me everything that I know about affiliate marketing to this day. Okay, so let's get to it. Let me show you where this place is right now, okay? Okay, this is the training platform, Wealthy Affiliate. They are awesome. I have a lot to say about them, okay? I've been with them since 2016. They've made me a super affiliate on their platform last year. So I'm very happy with them. I love their training. The training obviously works because it worked for me. And so for you to sign up with Wealthy Affiliate though and get my little picture on it, and you do want my little picture on here, guys, okay? Because then you will get a super affiliate as your premium coach. All right, guys? So in order for you to get to this page with my little face on it like that, you have to go to workanywherenow.com/Team Little Mama. Okay, I'm going to have it right here on my screen. I hope you see it. And I also have the link, the first link in the video description below. So don't worry about that. You would just click it when you look down there. Okay. So once you log in, look up Little Mama up here, okay? Once you log in, look up Little Mama. There I am. Click on it. Then you get to my profile right here, okay? When you get to my profile, you will see that I have been here since 2016. I'm an ambassador here, meaning I've helped a lot of people basically. I don't want to just show you myself. I mean, because you can go to my blog right here and kind of read about my journey. I've documented my entire journey here, guys. So you could just go through. This Vegas trip was courtesy of Wealthy Affiliate because since I got super affiliate, they sent me to Vegas to go to their super affiliate conference that they have every year. So they had it this year in January, and that's when I got to go and met the owners, Kyle and Carson. I met the owners and I met the other super affiliates. It's really fun, guys. So you could just check it out. But the training here is amazing. Okay, this is the training that taught me everything. So they have two trainings. Okay, they have the first one here that everybody uses, majority of people use because this is the one that you would choose your own niche to go into, meaning your own topic to create your website with. So this is the lessons that you would go. So you can actually sign up for free and get that first level free. It has 10 lessons. Each level has 10 lessons, so it's 50 lessons in all. And you get the first level free. And after going through that first level, you are already going to have a live website on the internet. Okay, that's how cool this is. All right. So if you like it, then you upgrade to premium and then you unlock the rest of the training, which you will need because that is how you're going to learn to make your website drive its own traffic, guys. Okay. The second course, though, Affiliate Bootcamp, is what I really concentrated in, and it's maybe something you want to do too, but this is what I do. I promote Wealthy Affiliate. Can you tell? That's why I'm telling you about it, okay? This is affiliate marketing working as I'm telling you right now, okay? Because if you sign up, you're going to sign up for free. I don't make any money. So you can sign up for free. Ask me 10,000 questions on the platform, and I'll be answering your questions. And then finally, when you decide to upgrade to premium, then I get a little bit of commission from Wealthy Affiliate. And of course, any commission I get does not affect your pricing in any way. Okay, guys? All right. So, and then you have tons of help here. They have live chat for you to help. Okay. Live chat, and there's a help center. So if you sign up with me, guys, my face will show up next to Kyle and Carson here, and I'll be your premium coach if you go premium. But you have tons of help here. You see all the different ways to help, and I'm going to show you how much people make here. So I make some money, right? I don't make a lot of money compared to some of these other bloggers on here, okay? So this is my friend Eddie. Eddie has a full-time job, guys. So if anybody's complaining about not enough time, blah, 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 this guy makes 6 figures part-time, okay? Because he has a full-time job. So he goes home and then he does this, okay? So I want to show you his ads. So from his 100K display ads is 5 figures, okay? So he has it here. He has the percentages. So he's got almost 25%. It's kind of like mine, 25%. And he does CPA marketing. See, CPA. He is earning, like, let's see, CPA is almost 35% commissions that he's earning, like 40-something thousand in the whole year, okay, without making any sales, okay, without generating any sales for anybody, okay. This is 0 sales right here, these two things. So more than half of his income comes from activities not selling anything, guys. And then 40% is still not him selling. These are just sales that he generated for brands and companies. This is his affiliate marketing website here, okay? So here's another awesome one. Actually, he has learned from the training that I have here on Wealthy Affiliate, and it's been amazing to see how he's been doing. And look at him. Over 2,000 just on ads alone, okay? In one day, he's almost making $100 on on ads, guys. Okay, that's insane. You see, so it's like really easy to make money with the website, but you gotta learn how to make that website grow, guys. You gotta make that website drive traffic, and the training here at Wealthy Affiliate will do that for you guys. Okay, so sign up with me. Okay, I can help you. I know I can help you. So just go to workanywherenow.com/team little mama. If you don't do that, boo-hoo for you. Okay, you won't get me as your premium coach, and I hope you'll still do well. Okay, guys? No, I'm just kidding. I did really well without a premium coach. As you can tell, I showed you I don't have a premium coach. I had Cal and Carson. I went to wealthyaffiliate.com and signed up by myself, and I'm still able to become a super affiliate. So whether you sign up with me or not, I still help you. I help tons of people on the platform, guys, okay? So I hope I will see you on the platform in the very near future. All right, guys, I really hope you enjoy this video on how to make money with the website without making any sales. So if you really like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys, and hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. All right, guys, I hope I see you on the next video. Bye.